Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to add activities from Apple Watch to Strava. So to get started with a quick guide on how you can easily add activities from your Apple Watch to your Strava. So to get started, the first thing to do, you have to install the Strava app on iPhone. So download the Strava app from your Apple Store, then sign into your account. Then next thing to do is to connect your health data. So in the Strava app, go to the settings, then scroll down to click application service and devices. Then from there, move down to health and grant permissions to read workout data from your Apple Health. Then after that, you have to track your workout with your Apple Watch. So use the default workout app on your Apple Watch or any supported fitness app that writes data to Apple Health. Then after that, you have to sync to Strava. So to sync it to your Strava, after finishing your run or workout, open the Strava app on your phone and allow it to sync with your Apple Health. Then next thing to do is to view your activities. So your run or activities will appear in your Strava feed with route distance and metric recorded by the Apple Watch, and that's it. So after that, your Apple Watch, your Apple Watch activity will now upload automatically to Strava whenever you sync your information, your activities, and that's it. Hope you find the video a little bit helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.